In this video I'm going to show you how to use drop-down menus, or lookups as we call them, in PatientPath. To identify a drop-down menu, look for this magnifying glass icon, simply click it to open and you'll see your options. These drop-down menus can only show 10 items at a time, so if there are more than 10 items you need to do something else to find what you're looking for. If you know what you're looking for, you can do a search right inside the drop-down menu. Click in the field, put a star, then your search terms followed by a star. This will help you find that word anywhere in the result we're looking for. You can either hit return to select the first result or use your mouse to select an option. Sometimes you won't know exactly what you're looking for, and in that case you can browse the available items. To do that, click on the magnifying glass and click on Look Up More Records. In this window it will show you all of the available options. You can tick here and click Add to select it. You can also search in here. Sometimes when using these fields you might click on the item. Try not to do that, and if you do, click Cancel, but occasionally you might accidentally click OK, and that will take you through to a page about that item. Don't worry, if you just click the X in the top right hand corner, it will take you back to where you were. If you ever get lost, remember that you can always click the cross to take you back to where you were.